Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to share your profile on TikTok. So the first step is go to the application, and here in your feed you need to go to the down part in the option of profile. And here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner, and in these three lines, this is the button of settings and privacy. You pick here, and after that you got three options: creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. So you need to pick in my QR code. And here you got the QR code, what the people can, scan that code and immediately get your profile to follow you, start following you, or you can copy the link and send that person you want to following you that link with your profile. So this is the two options. You can scan the QR code, or you can copy the link and send to you that link to a person with your profile. And if you want to scan other QR code for a person, you pick here in the superior right corner of the option of your QR code, and you can scan the code of that person. So this is a profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.